Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're putting the Happrun H11 projector to the test. This is a portable projector that boosts some of the most impressive features, including built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and crucially, the Netflix licensing. We're going to dive into its performance, image quality, and overall value in this review. Hey, let's go over and see what's in the box. Okay, let's go ahead and show you how this is packaged. And I want to show you this because of how it came from Amazon. Yeah, look at this picture here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, as you can see, it comes with its manuals here. Okay, it has a actual card here that you can use to contact them to get your transparency app, all kinds of stuff there from Happrun. Very nice to have that. You have an actual start guide. Like I said, it's so easy to put together, but this will give you an idea of what the buttons do and so forth on your remote. And laid out real nice. And the manual instructions. The imaging technology is TFT LCD. Native resolution is 1920 by 1080. Light source LED. Focus mode electronic. Power output. Net weight is 1.1 kilograms. Yeah, it gives you all the information right there on it, so it kind of gets you up and running. Okay, next year we're going to go ahead and take a look at this here power cord right here. Standard power cord, 2-prong. Yeah, give you an HDMI cable. It's actually kind of a long one too. That's nice. Now this is a 3.5 millimeter jack that you can use this to plug in the external speaker if you don't want to run it on Bluetooth, and then plug it to the back of this unit, you know, if you want to. What you're going to do is, you see here, DC 5-volt auxiliary. You actually pull that back and there it is. So you're going to end up going like that. Very easy. If you need to power this up, just do that and plug it into the USB A, that is. You have power on, your volume, a minus and a plus. You have a pause and manual. Very nice hotkeys, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video. You have a return, you got a home, you got your menu and settings button, volume control. You have a volume mute. These buttons right here for your focus. Now, the box itself. Now this is just a cover to cover the lens to keep it clean and so forth. So we'll go ahead and leave that right there for now. This is the IR infrared. You have one here and one on the back. So while we're in the back, let's go ahead. We got the HDMI, USB, your auxiliary or headphone jack, IR, and your power in. That's your power button. And if you look here, has a nice little, what that does, it raises it up in the front a little bit. And it looks like it has plenty of venting along with the fan. Very nice. It really is. Like I said, it's plastic, but it's a nice hard plastic. The fit and finish is perfect. You have a fan filter right here that comes out, which is kind of nice. Just push it in, click. If you want to pull it out again, just push it again. Very nice. Let's go and set up the screen and see what it looks like. And we'll do a in the dark, in the semi-light, and in lighted. And we'll see what you think about that. Now, a little bit about the speaker itself again. This is a Bluetooth speaker. It does have where you can charge up a battery that's in it. So you really don't need to wire it up or anything like that. If you do, that's great. If you don't, that's great too. But it is, all you got to do is press here. It sounds really good. They did a heck of a nice technology, getting a lot of bass out of this, and really nice clean sound. Better than many I've seen. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. Okay, as you can see here, this is a lighted room. I mean, it's really bright in here, but you can still see the layout. Now we're gonna get a little bit different. We're gonna go to a semi-lit room next, but just to show you here. So next up, let's go ahead and let's go to a semi-lit room and we'll see what it looks like from there. Okay, now this is the semi-lit room, but as you can see now, a lot better picture, one that is very watchable. Like I said, we get a lot of light coming in from the back through the window, and it is kind of light in here. So that'll kind of give you an idea. And then we'll go to the dark out here in just a second, and we'll see how much clearer it gets. But let's go ahead while we see this is, as you can see, we have Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, YouTube for Kids. You have your settings, your apps, a browser, screencast assistant, which is Mirrorcast, resource manager, and app store. So they do have their own app store. Let's go ahead and take a look real quick. Okay, so as you can see, it has games and weather and thriller trailers, TikTok, BritBox, Plex. Just real quick, just kind of show you.
I'm sure you didn't mean.
I don't want to get hit on it, but yeah, did you hear the sound on that? That worked very well. And let's go to complete dark in the room and see how good we do then. Okay, here we go. Now we are dark in here, and this thing works. Very good picture. Now, if you need to set up your keystone, you can hit the menu button. Now you can do image mode here. I usually leave it on standard. You can do vivid, sports, cinema, game, or whatever custom for user. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and let's go back up to that, go over here. You can go sound mode, movies, news, music, sports, so forth. Standard. Actually, let's go ahead and put it on cinema because that's what I'd be watching this mostly for. Matter of fact, let's go and put that one on cinema. Now your manual keystones, correction, this is done digitally. So when you click on that, you're going to come up with this. So you can actually move whichever way you need to make it square. Go to each side. Let's see. Keep going. Like I said, you can, has a lot of adjustment. I believe that's about right. So there you go. Like I said, you can, if you need to focus anymore, if you go bigger, lighter, says you very little touches you needed. That's pretty good right there. Now, as far as settings, it's just like the Android boxes that you're very used to. Setting up your internet there, you got your Bluetooth there, you have your input, HDMI, picture, and display and sound, system, and general and privacy. So it has all your stuff right here that you can change over if you need to. Okay, playing games on your phone is easy. Okay. Exit. Now, when it runs you through the setup itself, if you have a Netflix account, it's going to ask you for it as you go through to set it up. So once connected, launching the Netflix is seamless. No more problems with projectors and Netflix. The interface is familiar, and navigating through it, the menu is... Now, this is a huge plus for anyone who wants a hassle-free streaming experience. Now, this works equally as good with the other streaming platforms, such as Prime and that kind of thing. So let's go and get to that crucial part. The image and sound quality. Now, the H11 advertises 400 ANSI lumens and a 1080p support. In a completely dark room, the image is really nice. The colors are reasonably vibrant, and the image is relatively sharp, even at 200 inches. So we know that the projector in the dark is way above expectations. Now, even in slightly lit environments, the image washout is not that bad at all. As a matter of fact, I feel it works very well. Now, this projector is best suited for the dark rooms or nighttime use, as most in this level does. Now, portability is a strong point. Now, the H11 is a small and light, making it easy to carry around. Setting it up is very straightforward. Now, I did notice that the fan can get a little bit loud during extended use. It could be distracting and during some of the quiet scenes, but for me, it kind of became a white noise if you're sitting close to it. So is the Happrun H11 worth it? Now, it really depends on your needs and expectations. The Netflix integration is a huge selling point, and the portability is excellent. Good pictures, the whole bit. But let's go ahead and do pros and cons on this, and you'll kind of see where I'm going with it. Okay, pros on this. The Netflix licensed. I really like that. That way you get everything that Netflix is putting out at its best. Portable and lightweight. Easy setup. Stable Bluetooth connection. A very good price on this level. I mean, it's like $249 or something like that, but there's a percentage off right now, so check in the description for that. Now, the digital keystone and focus settings. This I love. I don't like having the manual. They always seem to come out of whack. So yeah, that's one of my biggest pros there. Now, let's go ahead and look at the cons. Limited brightness. Performs best in the darker rooms. But I would say that this performed better than most, but still could use some more, brightness in those semi-lit rooms. Now, the average image quality on larger sizes, and I think the sweet spot is around 120 inches, but very watchable at the 200, maybe outdoors or something. So overall, the Happrun H11 is a decent portable projector with a standout Netflix feature. Now, I think at this price level, it's above the performance of most others. Now, I give this a 7 out of 10 for this level of projector. Now, if you're looking for a portable projector, primarily the movie nights and inside or out, and prioritize Netflix access or any of the standard programs, the H11 is worth considering. Now, I'll get a link in the description below and on top of comments, so where you can get it, how much it is, and all that kind of stuff. Now, let me know in the comments what you're thinking. Hey, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember to keep smiling.